Welcome back to my leather travel bag. I'm absolutely electrified to bring you into the ultimate urban adventure, New York City. This isn't just the Big Apple. This is where dreams collide with skyscrapers, where world-class culture meets street-level grit, and where 8 million stories unfold every single day. We're about to explore 20 absolutely incredible experiences that showcase both NYC's legendary icons and its jealously guarded local secrets. From sunrise views atop the Empire State Building to hidden speakeasies in the Village, from world-renowned museums to secret gardens floating above the Hudson River, New York delivers urban magic like nowhere else on earth. Get ready for a journey through the city that never sleeps, where every street corner holds a story and every experience will leave you forever changed by the energy of the greatest metropolis in the world. Let's start with the experiences that define the New York City skyline, the legendary landmarks and observation decks that have captured imaginations for generations. The Statue of Liberty stands as the ultimate symbol of freedom and the American dream. This 1886 gift from France welcomes you with her torch held high, and climbing to her crown offers an unforgettable perspective of New York Harbor. Ellis Island completes this profound experience with its restored Great Hall, where over 12 million immigrants first touched American soil. Walking through these halls connects you to the very soul of what makes America extraordinary. The Empire State Building isn't just a skyscraper, it's a vertical journey through New York's heart. That Art Deco lobby radiates 1930s glamour, while the 86th floor deck reveals incredible urban tapestry from 1,250 feet above the streets. Top of the Rock delivers the ultimate NYC view, that perfect postcard shot of the Empire State Building rising majestically, while Central Park stretches like a green carpet to the north. One World Observatory provides both breathtaking views and profound reflection. The multimedia elevator traces New York's skyline evolution as you ascend to floors 100 to 102, culminating in stunning 360-degree views from the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere. The 9/11 Memorial below features twin, reflecting pools marking the original Twin Towers footprints. Together, they create a powerful testament to resilience, remembrance, and hope. Walking the Brooklyn Bridge is like stepping through a portal to Victorian-era engineering genius. This 1883 Gothic revival marvel elevates you above traffic with unobstructed Lower Manhattan views. For just a MetroCard swipe, the Roosevelt Island Tramway delivers spectacular aerial views 250 feet above the East River, offering incredible perspectives of Midtown Manhattan you simply cannot get anywhere else. Central Park is New York's magnificent 843-acre heartbeat. This Frederick Law Olmsted masterpiece offers everything from Shakespeare performances under the stars to ice skating at Woolman Rink. Bethesda Terrace and the Bow Bridge create picture-perfect moments, while the Conservatory Garden explodes with seasonal blooms. It proves that even the busiest city needs space to breathe. New York's cultural institutions house some of humanity's greatest treasures, creating experiences that can transform your understanding of art, history, and the world itself. The Met is absolutely mind-blowing. Over 2 million works spanning 5,000 years of human creativity. From ancient Egyptian temples reassembled inside the Sackler Wing to Rembrandt's penetrating self-portraits, every gallery reveals masterpieces that have shaped civilization. The rooftop garden offers stunning Central Park vistas, while special exhibitions constantly surprise with connections between ancient artifacts and contemporary art. MoMA houses the world's most influential collection of modern and contemporary art. Van Gogh's Swirling Starry Night and Picasso's revolutionary Les Demoiselles d'Avignon anchor galleries that trace art's evolution from Impressionism to digital installations. The Sculpture Garden creates an oasis where art meets urban environment, while rotating exhibitions showcase emerging artists alongside established masters. The American Museum of Natural History brings the entire universe under one incredible roof. That towering T-Rex skeleton greets you while 34 million specimens tell Earth's story. The Tenement Museum offers one of New York's most moving experiences, stepping directly into the lives of immigrant families who built this city. Guided tours through restored apartments reveal how families lived between the 1860s and 1930s. Hidden in Fort Tryon Park, the cloisters creates pure medieval magic using actual stones from French monasteries. This Met Museum branch houses incredible treasures like the unicorn tapestries in authentic cloistered courtyards. The gardens and Hudson River overlooks transport you completely away from modern New York, making you feel like you've discovered a secret monastery. New York's green spaces and architectural innovations prove that even the ultimate concrete jungle can surprise you with natural beauty and creative design. The High Line transforms an abandoned freight railway into pure urban genius. This 1.45-mile elevated park floats above Chelsea and the meatpacking district, featuring native wildflowers, rotating art installations, and incredible Hudson River views. The innovative landscape design creates intimate seating areas and dramatic overlooks, while the Whitney Museum and Chelsea Market provide perfect stops for art and food. Little Island is New York's newest architectural wonder, a floating park that seems to bloom from the Hudson River itself. This Heatherwick studio masterpiece rises on sculptural concrete tulips, creating rolling hills and amphitheaters suspended above water. Just a 10-minute ferry ride away, Governor's Island feels like escaping to a completely different world, with 19th century fort ruins and incredible harbor views. Brooklyn Bridge Park transforms 85 acres of former shipping piers into waterfront paradise. Each converted pier offers different experiences, from beach volleyball courts to children's playgrounds, from outdoor movie screenings to fishing areas. The incredible Manhattan skyline views across the East River create one of the most beautiful urban waterfronts in the world. The real magic happens in New York's neighborhoods. DUMBO captures Brooklyn's transformation from industrial grit to creative cool with converted warehouses and unobstructed skyline views. Greenwich Village embodies bohemian spirit with tree-lined brownstones where artists changed American culture. Chinatown and Little Italy create incredible cultural immersion, while Williamsburg pulses with artisanal everything and cutting-edge creativity. Now let's uncover the secret New York that even many locals don't know about. The hidden gems and unique adventures that make this city endlessly surprising. The Elevated Acre is New York's best kept secret, a 1-acre rooftop park hidden in the financial district. Accessed through an almost invisible escalator inside 55 Water Street, this green oasis features terraced lawns and Japanese maples overlooking the East River and Brooklyn Bridge. Because most people walk right past the entrance, you'll often have this incredible space practically to yourself. In a tiny Williamsburg storefront, the City Reliquary celebrates New York's unofficial history through the most amazing collection of urban artifacts. Vintage subway tokens, old theater programs, and community donations create exhibits that tell the real story of how New Yorkers live. This volunteer-run gem operates more like a neighborhood scrapbook, offering an incredibly personal view of the city's everyday magic. Hidden in plain sight at Grand Central Terminal is one of the most amazing acoustic phenomena in the city. In the dining concourse, stand at opposite corners of the arched entrance and whisper into the wall. Your voice travels clearly to someone standing diagonally across the space. This architectural accident creates pure magic as the curved ceiling focuses sound waves in ways the original designers never intended. New York's speakeasy culture thrives in hidden bars throughout the Village and Lower East Side. From unmarked doors to secret passwords, these intimate cocktail lounges maintain the mystery and craft that made Prohibition-era drinking legendary. Each one offers unique atmospheres and innovative cocktails that transport you to New York's rebellious past. No New York experience is complete without diving into the entertainment culture that makes this city the global capital of live performance. Broadway represents the absolute pinnacle of live theater. Those iconic marquees in the theater district herald productions that set global standards for musical theater, drama, and spectacle. Whether you catch a classic like The Lion King or Hamilton, or discover the next breakthrough musical, the energy of live Broadway performance is absolutely electric. The historic theaters themselves create intimate connections between performers and audiences that movies simply cannot replicate. Lincoln Center brings together the world's most prestigious performing arts organizations in one stunning campus. The Metropolitan Opera's crystal chandeliers, the New York Philharmonic's soaring symphonies, and the New York City Ballet's graceful movements represent the absolute highest levels of artistic achievement. Even if you can't catch a performance, the plaza creates an atmosphere where artistic excellence permeates the very air. Beyond Broadway, New York pulses with incredible live music and comedy venues. Greenwich Village jazz clubs maintain the spirit where legends like Bob Dylan got their start, while comedy clubs throughout the city launch careers and provide endless entertainment. The intimate venue culture means you might discover the next big star performing just feet away from your table. From sunrise views atop the Empire State Building to twilight walks across the Brooklyn Bridge, from world-class masterpieces at the Met to hidden gardens floating above the Hudson River, from Broadway's blazing marquees to secret acoustic phenomena in Grand Central Terminal, New York City offers experiences that touch every aspect of human creativity and ambition. This incredible metropolis where 8 million dreams collide and combine has been inspiring artists, entrepreneurs, and adventurers for centuries. Whether you come seeking cultural enlightenment, architectural wonder, culinary adventures, or simply the intoxicating energy that comes from being in the center of the universe, New York delivers transformation on every corner. The magic of the Big Apple isn't just in its towering skyscrapers or world-famous landmarks, it's in how this urban symphony of ambition, creativity, and possibility reminds us that when 8 million people choose to dream together, absolutely anything becomes possible. Which New York experience is calling to your soul? Share your Big Apple dreams in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button for more incredible travel adventures. And remember, in New York City, every street is a stage and every moment is a chance to be part of something legendary. Until next time, keep exploring with my leather travel bag.